That's it. That's it. That's a tornado.
Oh.
Look at that tree. All that's falling on Wayne house over there. We in it. Look at it.
Oh, man.
Oh, no. Oh, no. We in it, baby.
Oh. Man.
That's a tornado.
My car. Oh, man.
Camper gone, baby.
Yes.
Camper gone.
Man, my car gone, bro.
Camper is smooth gone. Back glass broke out of there. Camper is gone. And Tracy walked off that down.
Oh, Lord Jesus, man.
My glass, every area of my truck is gone.
So lives, Paul. Mama car, damn it. Your car, damn it. My car gone. Oh my God, man. Wow, man. Wayne Reed done came out. Roof done came out. Man, Lord Jesus. It's crazy. Lord, man. Why I gotta be in Tylertown, man? Look at my car, man. Oh my God. Fucking car, man. Oh, man. Oh my God. Man, everybody. Ain't a lot going on this tree over there.